off, you got the wrong name.
Huh?
First off, who the fuck's Sean?
What's your name?
Ain't your fucking business. But you obviously got the wrong fucking name, so you're obviously fucking confused. You're obviously dumb as shit. So what the fuck are you doing here? You fucking tell me. You're the trespassing my property. That guy could be dead right now, you dumb motherfucker. I'm a 3-2 and 19 warfare. I absolutely could destroy every single one of them. What the fuck are you doing here? You fucking tell me. You're trespassing my property, bitch.
So why don't you come out here and talk to us?
Go the fuck away. You have no business.
You know we're not.
I got nothing to say to you. We have done nothing wrong.
We're not.
You're trespassing.
We're not
leaving.
leaving.
Get the fuck out of it.
We're not leaving.
We're recording everything, bitch.
Okay, that's fine. We're just worried about you.
You're looking stupid right now. Keep on though.
Okay, we're worried about you.
Well, you're a dumbass motherfucker and you worried about me. You obviously don't know shit. You obviously don't know shit. You don't even know who you are, you dumb motherfucker. You know you're trespassing at a stranger's property? You're a dumb motherfucker. I got no fucking respect for you. Why the fuck do I gotta say anything to you or want to hear anything you have to say? You come here with the wrong fucking name, you don't know what the fuck.
So your name's last name?
If you had a fucking warrant, you can come in. You don't got a fucking warrant, so fuck off. We haven't done nothing wrong, you dumb motherfucker.
Well, you did.
So what the fuck are you doing here? You fucking tell me. I can shoot you right now because you're on my fucking property, you dumb motherfucker.
You already threatened everybody.
You're trespassing, you dumb motherfucker.
We're law enforcement. We have a right.
You're trespassing, you dumb motherfucker, and I'll fucking know you.
So we're not, you don't want to talk? I'm not going to yell. I'll talk to you. They called me down here to talk to you. Do you want to talk to me or not?
Whoever calls is a fucking idiot.
What's going on?
Not shit. I don't fucking know why you're here. You fucking tell me. You're trespassing, you dumb motherfuckers, and you're over here asking me on my fucking private property. Trespassing. Asking me what's going on. You're a dumb motherfucker. You got 2 fucking brain cells, and you want to fucking talk to me? You ain't worth my fucking time. But here I am, and you're fucking wasting. So what, motherfucker?
You can come down here and talk to me. I'm not going to
I'm talking to you right now, you stupid motherfucker. Yeah, record all this. This is fucking hilarious how dumb this motherfucker is. Whatever.
Unit status.
32. 43.
34. The male and the female are now on the front porch drinking. Do not see any weapons. He's refusing to come down and talk to 11.
Just make sure everybody has their body cameras on and holds your traffic. Sir, answer. What's his will?
Sam, call 4577990. $700 in units. Hold all non-emergency traffic until 7-Eleven can advise.
I'm recording.
Right here. But you dumb motherfuckers trespassing property. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're here for no fucking reason. Nobody's doing shit. We're minding our own business up in here. But what are these dumb motherfuckers doing? They don't even know. They're asking me what's going on. That's how dumb they are. This is taxpayer dollars at work, man. So you fucking eat it up. Eat it the fuck up.
3835. Just be advised he's sitting on the front porch still. I don't know if the female's up there or not, I can't tell.
If we get a break, I got bug spray in my car. When Alfred comes up, I'll get bug spray and I'll just pass it down because we're gonna get 8-ups quick.
Man, this motherfucker's trespassing too. He is fucking there. Yeah. Trespassing motherfucker. He should be dead. You should be thanking God right now you're alive because you're on another man's property, you dumb motherfucker. Be praising God you're alive right now because I have every right to end your life. Every fucking right. This is America, you dumb motherfucker. Private property, it's a religious fucking right. And I take that deadly fucking serious. But I'm being nice today. Thank me, because your life is mine, bitch. You're trespassing with a gun on my property. You're a dumb motherfucker. Un-American. You're a fucking traitor. There's a dumb motherfucker right here. This is going on live, baby. I got a lot of fucking followers, buddy. You absolutely will be publicly lynched for this harassment. This is harassment right now. This is a form of terrorism. Strangers trespassing for no fucking reason. You don't got a warrant, you dumb motherfucker. You're trespassing without a warrant. You're stupid as fuck. Get off my fucking property right now. You have no warrant, bitch. You got no fucking warrant. You're a dumb motherfucker.
They obviously don't see you. I said they obviously don't see you.
Absolutely, the public's gonna be seeing this video. A lot of fucking people are gonna be seeing this video. Trespassing. No warrant. Just standing there like a dumb motherfucker with an AR. You looking real dumb, motherfucker?
I don't think that'll work right,
Rick. Tear you a fucking asshole while you're trespassing my property, bitch. I will absolutely have you publicly lynched because you're trespassing. You're violating my privacy. You're harassing me for no reason. You don't have a warrant. Somebody called you. So what? Nothing's going on here. You can fucking see that for yourself. We're minding our own business. But yet you're still here standing there like dumb motherfuckers. You're giving away the right to do it.
That's not going to be below the TV.
You are saying you don't fucking care about your life. I'm gonna award that motherfucker. I served 8 honorable years. I got 2 good conduct medals. I was an expert rifleman. I'm a peak this motherfucker. I was killed every single motherfucker. If you trespass this house, I'm letting you live right now on my property. I'm letting you live. I don't have to. I could absolutely make a stand wagon. I'm gonna let you stand there. You're just a dumb fucking soldier. You don't know what you're fucking doing. Probably what, 20 years old? Just trying to make that living.
He thinks I'm 20. He thinks I'm 20.
It didn't fly back then. Why do you think it's gonna fly right now? That's the same shit that went on in Nazi Germany. You don't fucking care. They don't fucking care. Nazis just doing their job. It's not fucking excuse, bro.
There's a call on this. Where were they at?
I fought and paid for my freedom of blood, and I will absolutely defend it. You fucking hear me. I hope you absolutely hear me. Because you trespassed this house.
They were on their deck / porch.
And I got over 30,000 hours long in urban combat training, you stupid motherfuckers.
Okay, do they have any idea where those people were at in the driveway run?
You don't stand a chance. That's why when I say right now, should be thanking God that you're alive. You
After
absolutely
re-listening to the
should.
call,
Because you're standing
I
here
believe
in my
it's going to be
yard
that
with
male
guns,
and
you dumb
female.
motherfucker. You know what you're doing is wrong and you feel like shit and you shouldn't be. But why are you still standing there? Fucking leave. You got nothing to say. You're on my fucking property with a gun and you got nothing
Who's
to
calling
say.
me?
I should come out here right now and fucking destroy your ass. And you ain't gonna do shit because you're on my fucking private property. I can absolutely run around right fucking now and you're dead. You're on my property.
34.
Alright, I'm gonna sit and have a margarita smoke.
I
Y'all
don't
can
think
fucking
he
hang out,
sees
I guess.
myself or Mills.
The longer you hang out, the better a story it is. You realize that, right? Every second you're trespassing my property.
You want me to try to talk back
it's
to him or
that
just
much
let
of
him
a
yell at
fucking
me?
outrage that's gonna be great. I got maxed out
It'd be
network
great if
skills.
you came down and talked to him.
You don't know who you're fucking dealing
He's not
with.
coming down and talk to me.
You're absolutely
He's just
not
yelling
gonna
at
lose
me.
your job.
More threats.
You're gonna lose your job, you dumb motherfucker. Your family's
Okay,
gonna
anybody
be,
see
if
what you
you
brought
got a
out there on the
family,
table?
probably not because you're a dumb motherfucker. You probably can't buy
Just a drink.
You're probably a single dumb motherfucker.
I ain't talking.
I can go all day, baby.
Mm-hmm.
39, it was a drink.
This is exactly why your police department will be plagued with problems. You're here harassing good people. Shit is absolutely coming down on you, and you brought it on yourself. I don't have to do shit. I work for God, brother. And he will fight my battles for me. He does. Every person who comes against me has horrible fucking things happen in his life. I got example after example after example. Everybody's fucking. They had horrible fucking things happen to us. That's the shit we're fucking with right now. I'm trying to help you out.
39.
I'm trying to help you out. One guy killed himself. Fucking cursed. Another guy lost his most prized possession. A puppy in a horrible fucking manner. Was tortured in pain for days. That's the kind of shit. That's the coals of fire you're reaping on your head right now. Every second you're fucking being harassed out there.
39,700. Can you give me the mail description?
I can hear you.
You go fucking talk to your boys, bro.
I'm listening to you talk.
You go talk to your brother. You're here for no reason.
5'10", 185 pounds.
You got nothing to say.
Hey, I'm just listening to you talk.
You're trespassing my property and you got nothing to say.
I understand that.
Dummy sound right now?
What's that? I can't hear you.
You're trespassing my property.
I heard that.
Why?
We got called here.
For what?
We want to make sure everyone's okay.
Obviously you can see everyone's okay. So
We don't know that. I can't take your word for it.
yeah, whose word are you going to take? Dumb motherfucker?
I don't know if it's gonna reach from here.
Well, I got to record this. How's it sound right now? Hold on.
You want me to keep talking to him?
All right, man, hide behind the trees. Hey, bitch. Yeah, come out.
That'd be me.
Okay, you're trespassing my property. Why?
We were called here
By who?
by several neighbors.
No, you weren't.
We were.
You full of shit, motherfucker.
Hey,
You were called by them, motherfucker.
first of all, thank you for your service.
Country property, you dumb motherfucker.
First-
There's absolutely no fucking reason for you to be concerned about what's going on over here.
First of all, thank you for your service.
Like you give a shit.
I do give a shit.
Property with a gun. Don't fucking insult me.
We want to make sure you're okay. The only way you can do that is if you come outside.
You can see us. You can see we're okay. Shut the fuck up about coming outside, you dumb motherfucker. You can see us right here. We are outside, you dumb motherfucker. You can see we're okay. Now get the fuck off our property.
39.
You said you came to check on us. You can see we're okay. So now you have no fucking reason.
I don't know who's inside. I don't know who's inside.
That
There's no
mail,
one fucking inside, you dumb motherfucker.
We have to see for ourselves.
No, you don't, you dumb motherfucker. Look. Ain't gonna happen.
We're not leaving.
Well, you're gonna be sitting there all fucking day and then look like idiots. And every second you spend wasting taxpayer dollars is absolutely going to come down on you. Go ahead.
The sooner you come down, the sooner you can get started on telling your story.
We don't need to come down. We're talking right now, you dumb.
How are you going to tell your story to the public? Not everyone follows you. Don't you want to talk to a reporter?
Yeah, we're absolutely sending this to reporters.
Don't you want to talk to a lawyer?
We don't need no lawyer. You're going to get publicly lynched.
Not everyone's on social media.
There's a lot of fucking people.
All right.
39, he's showing a warrant out of Allentown.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the type of terrorism right here. You can see that this house is okay, but you're still staying here. You're still trespassing. You're a dumb motherfucker.
Because we can't see inside.
You don't need to see inside every fucking house you get called for, dumb motherfucker.
See inside her house.
Yeah.
Make sure she's okay.
Yeah, you need to go.
We already did.
Okay.
We checked her house, we checked that house.
Shut the fuck up.
Unit status.
36. 23.
34.
I should thank them for the story of the fucking lost computer.
Hey, look, so just hold down for now. I can see all of them. All
This
five.
is absolutely
Some
gonna
more
be
of
water
an
for
issue.
my rise, bro. I'm coming up. And you ain't gonna do shit about it. I've done nothing wrong here. If nothing gone wrong here, you are not gonna get a warrant to trespass. And even if you do, I will fucking kill your asses if you're coming. I don't give a shit. Okay?
All right.
Because we have done nothing wrong.
Okay.
Trespassing. If you come in here, I'm warning you. It's simply a warning.
Okay.
If you trespass, you forfeit your right to live. That's an American fucking right, private property, bitch.
Okay.
American fucking right. This is Mockaby Nation. We're not part of state or federal land, you dumb motherfuckers. We have separated from the land, you dumb motherfuckers. That's why I absolutely say, when you trespass it, you forfeit your right to live. This is not state or federal land. Everybody fucking knows except you dumb motherfucking assholes. This is not state or federal land. This is Mockaby Nation. We have separated. So you are absolutely
We didn't know that.
no authority. So I could absolutely fucking end your life without a single fucking thought. Because you're on my, you're a stranger on my property with a gun. Okay? You should fucking know that is stupid. But you're just doing your job like a dumb motherfucker. I get it. You got a paycheck, you got family to feed, probably. I get it. That's the Nazis.
He's still gonna kill us, but it's
And
just a warning.
if you get your shit killed in the line of duty because you're being dumb like you are right now, that you're on fucking duty.
Hey, Krebs. Don't they recognize the sheriff as the only law enforcement?
Like Timmy Turner, like that sovereign citizen I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Let's say he does. He's a sovereign citizen.
They don't recognize cops.
The sheriff is the only one I've heard.
But the sheriff and his deputies, they do. I thought.
Yes, I've heard that.
Next time we talk, I'll bring it up.
Right. I mean, you're making overall progress.
What's that?
I think you're making a capital progress.
No weapon that is formed against me shall prosper.
You realize we represent the sheriff, correct?
I don't know who you fuck are.
We're not police.
I know who you are, motherfucker.
Richard-
You're a stranger, so shut the fuck up.
You're talking to me, I'm
You're a
trying.
fucking stranger, shut the fuck up. I don't know who you fucking are. Anybody can buy a badge and a uniform, you dumb motherfucker, and put decals on their cars. That doesn't mean shit, and it doesn't fucking matter because this is not state or federal land. You have no fucking authority. None.
We do under the sheriff.
Doesn't fucking matter. You have no authority. Be strong and of good courage.
We're,
Sheriff's on his way.
they don't recognize police. Don't they recognize the sheriff's office, though?
For my God
Alfred?
is with me wherever I go. And he will absolutely give me victory this day. He will be leaving very soon.
I got bug spray and water in my car. You want to hold this while I go get it? Sarge?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, safe.
Is he talking to you at all?
Yeah, we're engaging back and forth.
Alright, hold on. Get Mills' key and unlock that so Xander can hear you can't hear.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm getting bug spray. We're getting ate up.
23 to 11 if you could turn off the back kill switch for me. Still out on porch.
Yep.
Yep.
That's what I said.
What is he doing with that book?
He's just waving it. Must be his Bible. You drink water? You good?
I'm good.
Want some water?
No, no, we're here, John.
Huh?
No, no, we're here, man.
What the fuck are you doing, bruh? In my woods.
Sorry. Want some water? Just a screw top. Fuck, he doesn't see Mills though. I'd like to keep it that way.
Yeah, I was hoping you wouldn't come over here, to be honest.
Sorry.
It's okay. I still love you.
I'll leave this here.
I'll still go to your wedding.
Thanks. Hey, I'm gonna leave this here for Mills. When we draw his, when he sits down, have Mills come here. Okay? And I'll put his key right. I'm not. I might chew with you on it.
Oh, I wish. I would have put it in another one by now. Actually, it's making me more thirsty. I need to fix my radio. It's in the way where I got to